the portico type area or balcony type, and inside I'll take you around what all are there. The size of this is total size is 20 length. This one is 20 and this is 30. So width is 30 and length is 20. I'll take. So we'll go inside. This is a hall of 14 by somewhat 12, I think, and this here we have used for external wall. We have used the 3-inch wall. External we have used the 3-inch, and internal we have used the 2-inch wall. And the windows we have given this skin bond profile UPVC windows with cold glass, and this 2.5 track we have used it. And false ceiling is there. False ceiling ordinary board we have used. Putty we have used the Birla putty. Paint we are going to use Jindal or Asian paints. And flooring tiles, 2x2 double charge tiles are going to come with some masonry work, which will be done by tomorrow or something like that. And these columns, steel columns which you are seeing, will be covered. Later you will not be able to see any of the steel columns, whether it is in the inside or side or on the roof. Okay, and we have checked for the water leakages also. As of now there is no water leakage. On the top of that, again we'll do some cementing and we'll do the clay tile work. So client wanted to have surface wiring for this 2-inch wall, so that's why we have taken the surface wiring. And part ways we have taken the concealed wiring. Here we have this inside wire Phenolex we have used. These are our ordinary boxes, and switches we have used gold metal and a combination of anchor. You can see here this is the 3-inch wall. External is the 3-inch wall, and all these columns will be covered with the gypsum board, so you will not be able to see. And these are the base plates. This will be covered with the flooring. And I will come to this. This is the kitchen room, and 10 by 10, I think, the size of this kitchen room. Here we have not done the board installation, false ceiling, because client wanted to make sure there is no water leakage from the roof, as there is no leakages also. And this is the purlins we have used. It's a very challenging site because the client, he wanted the continuation of the two-side slope from here kitchen to this hall, so he didn't wanted to separate this thing. So it was a difficult task, as there was some dimension problem have come to take that shape. So finally we have done at last. And you can see here in this kitchen, here again the floor tiles will come. This is the 2-inch wall panel which has been used as a platform with the support of this 3-inch wall panel, and under that you will get the racks. And on the top of that, if client want to make this ply cupboards and all that, they can make it. So cupboards and all that can be made on this wall. AC we can put it as usual. How we will use for a 4-inch or 9-inch wall blocks, we can use it. Except one condition is that there are some do's and don'ts that we have to use drilling, something like that we have used, not hammering, as these are lightweight walls. So these cement walls are also heat insulated, in the sense they will not allow the heat to come outside, and they are soundproof, fireproof or fire retardant, and termite proof and waterproof. And all these columns, 4x4 columns, will be covered with the gypsum boards. I'll make one more final video of the final finish. Maybe a week or another 10 days we will make it. Then this is a bedroom. The bedroom size is also somewhere 14 by 10, something like that. You can see here this typical design of purlins, which was very difficult, and finally we have done. And you can see here the straight continuation, and there is a 45 degrees tilt is there for this one. So here also in the bedroom, this is the AC point we have given. Electrical standard points we'll give. Two-way switches we have shared, client wanted two-way switches and AC point, and this thing he wanted. One attached bathroom is there of 5 by 8 size. Here also we have done the PVCs and these pipes of concealed. This will come concealed, this one, and WBC EWC commode is coming with a all the standard accessories like geyser point and wall mixer. And this is before putty application, how the walls will look like that. Here also we are using the fall ceiling, and so you can see here this is the 2-inch wall. So this is how this 20 by 30 structure will look once it is completed. The budget and all I'll share you once the total final work is done. There are some pending works like racks needs to be built, something is there. And this is one 5 by 8 washroom. Again we have done with 2 inch wall panels with a WPC door frames and 80 mm fiber cement board. So here these are the sajjas which we are going to provide with additional for additional safety for the from the rainwater, something like that. So some work is pending, and all these will be wiped off. Since we are using this drill machine and all, so due to this vibration this has come. Though we have used the mesh here, we have used the fiber mesh here, you can see here, to avoid the cracks. These cracks are normal and can be covered with crack filler. Generally in Aerocon you will get more cracks. Since we have applied this fiber cement mesh, we have reduced that cracks to almost 90%, we can say. In the final video also we'll be able to show you how the the final look will be there. And this foundation was in client scope, 4 feet height he has made the foundation videos are also there in my playlist 𝗙𝗚𝗘𝗢𝗦. There is a 𝗙𝗚𝗘𝗢𝗙 farmers playlist, you can see in that. You can see this we have extended of 1 feet board outside for the for the rainwater, this thing, and this is the water tank provision. We can keep the water tank on the top of that also, but still there is on top of that we are applying the clay tiles. So for that reason client wanted to have a separate this thing. And you can see here from the outside like how it looks and all. Sajja work is going on. Maybe you can see on the top of that, this waterproofing membrane we have applied, I think homemade. And you can see here waterproofing membrane we have applied, so that there will be no water leakages. And it's a beautiful farm. You can see here, this is the rice they have put, and they have one also cow shed also. We have done with fiber cement board, which will be very cool, and the animals will feel very comfortable during the during the summer season also. And you can see here. So anybody, if you have any questions related to the steel building construction with Aerocon, or any type of construction related to queries, waterproofing or anything, you please comment. My number is there, WhatsApp me. And thank you for watching. Subscribe.